Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings guys, let's update our view on the Bitcoin market. So this week Bitcoin hasn't shown the strong activity as it was previously in previous week and weeks before. So mostly market is struggling currently with the daily overbought. So it has reached some technical sale that works right now like the barrier that preventing the further upward action. So this is mostly technical issue, and once the market will comes out of the of this pressure from the overbought situation, it should continue to move higher. But currently in this moment, market needs some relief, some consolidation in the current level before next upward step could be done. So on the weekly chart, you can see that although market is coming close and close to the previous all-time high, the hour target stands slightly higher for $1,000 Bitcoin, and we suggest that main retracement, some moderate retracement, should happen or could happen only when the market will hit the XOP. Until market will not challenge the previous stop, until it will not grab the stops above this area, we hardly could count on some deep pullback, because that's just the specific of the all markets. When it comes very close to the previous top, they are aimed on the subject, and they are trying to wash out the previous top. Sometimes it leads to fake breakout and just fortune rinse around the top and it's reversal downward drop. But sometimes it leads to the direct breakout and real breakout to the upside. But anyway, medium retracement, significant retracement happens after the top will be taken out. So here is approximately the same story. And here is on the weekly chart, we have mostly the same situation where we still consider this possible butterfly 1618 extension with the same target and the XOP target. So we think that at least some spike up here should happen before any retracement will come, or real upward breakout will follow. But taking into consideration the overall overbought condition on the market, some reaction on the target and washing out of this previous top seems more reasonable in the current circumstances. On the daily chart, a market has followed the scenario that was not very good for it, because recall what we said initially. We thought that would be the butterfly. It would be more preferable for the market, because butterfly could let the Bitcoin to complete the target. But instead of that, instead of here's the pullback to the downside, market has shown the straight up forward action and climb inside the overbought condition. And that has become the barrier to the Bitcoin to proceed high and complete the major target. Now it has to react on the overbought with some pullback here. Also, market has formed a bearish grabber, but personally, I do not want to rely on this pattern too much, because pattern actually suggests the taking out of these lows and drop to more significant drop. Here is the grabber could be the sub byproduct of just reaching of the overbought area. So market just climbed, wasn't able to move above due to the overbought, and grabber has appeared. So this grabber, I think it's a bit tricky, and better to not, rely on it too much on this pattern. So what we could consider in the nearest time. So take a look on the fall time frame chart. Actually, market is forming the triangle. We do not have the bearish divergence here. So if you will plot the MACD, you will see that we do not have the divergence. This is normal type of action here, and appearing of the triangle right near the previous top without any significant drop, especially when at the first glance it seems like the fake breakout, because market has trying to pass through it and then return it back down. This is not the fake breakout. This is just reaction of the market to the overbought condition. This is the building on an energy, because tight consolidation near the top without any significant pullback, it means that it's not the failure. This is just market's preparation to further upward action, and it's consolidating the power, building an energy for a breakout. just wait when the overbought pressure will be eliminated by some consolidation, spending time on the same level, and then it will be able market to show another jump up to complete the target that we have. That's our view on the Bitcoin. Also, guys, I would like to warn you about the rising risks, political risks in the United States. So just be careful, because lots of contradictory information is coming concerning Donald Trump attempt to contest results. Lots of really shocking events right now announced in the mass media concerning this setup. And we think that, well, in the current moment, this problem is spinning up, and we do not exclude totally the chance that Donald Trump will set the emergency regime in the United States. So that's really could happen. I am not really, I don't know how Bitcoin will behave in this situation, whether it will work like the safe haven and will show the outstanding jump up, or it will stand in a row with the stocks and will show the drop. It's difficult to say. But just be careful and keep an eye on, read the news currently concerning situation in political life in the United States. Something is going on there. So, because initially it has started like, I don't know, something like nobody believes in this this process. I think that it's just last effort of Donald Trump to make the big scream by the end of his presidency. But now this situation is spinning up. So a lot of legal claims around the country. The Supreme Court already involved, a lot of government agencies involved, including special forces, including the CIA. So it's something really is going on there, and really be careful and read this news. Keep the nose on to the wind. So that's actually our position on the cryptocurrency currently.